color me up dots and dashes. The knowledge of understanding dots, dashes, words, colors, etc. Let's go to 1776. On the ATM machine, you'll find the Q and the Z on the number 1, the 17th letter and the 26th letter, 1 and 7, 8, 2 and 6, 8. 8 returns to 8. Mars is 3 by 17. The moon is 3 by 19. 7 runs and 9 runs together. The reason for this is 717. We don't get this with a 6. In 717 in the French language, we separate the 7, we separate the 8, we separate the 9. Over here, 17 is 1700, mark 17. Here is 26, mark 26. Add the center to the left, we get 22, 4. Add the center to the right, we get 31, 4. The reverse cube of this one could be 88, or it will be 77, bringing it to 9 or bringing it to 1, bringing AI together. Over here, in this one over here, it'll be either 79, bringing these two together in this number, or 68, bringing the gateway together. Divided gate is 6 and 8, and the spirit is 76. The payout in the game of craps is 7 and 6. You can see the way 777 come in. Rubik's Cube, the 3 sides of Rubik's Cube, just like NASA, the 3 rings. Here you have 5 minus, 5 plus 1, Mars and Saturn. If we use both of these, we'll go to Earth and Uranus. V is for life, between 1 and 1. If you notice, 2, 3, 4, our vibration fits in between each one. We're going to go to step number 2 in this one. We looked at this. I just didn't count these. That's why I put the O's. And I still put the O's. I added these together. We end up with 666. I added this as 600. I added this as 60. I added this as 6. We bring it down here. I just brought down these. Where do I get the 1 from? M is 1000, mark 1. C is 100, mark 1. X is 10, mark 1. So this is how all this comes together. And then there's the reverse alphabet of a single digit to what is M13 becomes 4. What is V22? It becomes 4. Here's your 13 and here's your 22. When we reverse this whole thing, it becomes 4884. This becomes Jupiter and Pluto coming together. These two. Let me see if there's anything else in here to talk about. So in this one, if I add the L to this side, it'll be 22. Make it 4. This side over here will be 8. 4 and 8. If I add it onto this side, it'll be 4. If I leave this alone, it'll be 8. It'll be 4, 8, 8, 4. So I have to mark that one down. It'll be 4, 8, 8, 4. Now, our cycles that we run is 1, 4, and 7, which happens to be the rat, the cat, the horse, and the rooster in the zodiac signs. 4, 8, 4. To bring it to the 7th gate, you're going to have 3, 1, 1, 3. To bring it to the 7th gate, we also going to have 3, 8, 8, 3. How do we get this? 8 and 8 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7, 8 minus 1 is 7. If we want to bring it to number 4, I'm going to go over here either with a 9 or a 0. I'm going to use the 9, okay? And I'm going to go 9, 4, 4, 9. Or what I'm going to do is 9, 5, 5, 9. This is the sun, the number that brings the sun together in Jupiter. How do I do this? I now minus the 8 from 4, or I add 5 to the 8, becomes 13. 1 and 3 is 4. Now, if I want to go over here to the number 1, with these numbers over here, I'm going to go 6, 2, 2, and 6, or I'm going to do 3, 7, 7, and 3. 1 is to the minus, 1 is to the plus. You can't go minus. I can't go minus to come down to 7. I can only go up with this. So each one of these are going to tell their realm. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Understanding also that in Roman numerals, if I hit any one of these numbers, right, 1, 4, or 7, or 14 and 7, which is 14, which is the ring of the pull of Rubik's Cube for 21. So now if I bring these numbers over here, where do I find the 1, 4, and 7? In the alphabet, this is a 4, this is a 4, this is a 3, and a 4. this is your 7. So how we come to this cycle, and that's the cycle that we run on this planet, at least in North America, on the Gregorian calendar. Peace and love. Thank you for watching this video.